I don't know what happened to my camera. It just shut right off. And I don't know why it shut right off. It better not do no more there. I ain't putting no whole lot of editing. Come on now, camera. Don't be acting up today. Don't you be acting up today, camera. Camera, don't act up today. Really couldn't start all over again. I already started. Already started putting salad, dressing on top of the salad and stuff. You know. Get on back up in there. Get on back up in there. Get on back up there. Get on back up in there. Woo. I fell in love with these tortillas my daughter introduced me to. Well, really she didn't introduce me to them, but back a long time ago. I used to eat some. I don't know if they're exact the same, but I believe they are. They're low carbs. No, ain't no low carb diet. But it helps sometimes when you don't need all them carbs in one day. That's that carb make you sleepy. Too many don't make you sleepy. What was that? I believe it too. They'll make you sleepy. Salads in the summertime is some kind of good. You know, y'all, like, forgive me, but I was a Guido somebody. Uh-oh, my husband back there, I'm coughing. Hope I ain't got to cut this off and go cheap out him. Y'all know I can't go too quick, I'm gonna make a mess. Get your bite. Trying to turn it down like this. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop it. It's a mess. I put lettuce in it when I grill it. Really? And a flat time cornbread too. Get away. What's going on today? Everything trying to happen. I had to call my husband get him get this flat with the flat swallow from the backside. Everything trying to go on today. That's a bad piece of ladder. You got to go. I'm eating. They ain't saying much of nothing. Eating. I was trying to, hopefully when the weather breaks on, it's not too hot. And it's this time of the day. Maybe I might have to start eating at 12, 11:30. Because this be my meal for the day anyway. Anything else be like meal replacement or something like that. And that's enough right here. Oh my God. This is enough. Look at that fly. Oh, he can't get out of there. I can't give it to him in no editing. If you're going to keep on flying all around my hair, why I ain't see him and kill him for all this went on. Oh my goodness. Now he smell food. Now he want this fly. Ain't that something? I forgot what I was saying. Forgot what I was saying. That fly ain't gonna be running up in here and keep on distracting me. I can't think straight. He ain't gonna get none. I don't know what he's running for. I will get up, pause the video, and kill him, and come back and eat. Yes. Oh, call my husband. He probably can't hear me call him though. He in that room, that TV up loud. Look at him. Look at him flying. Look at him flying. Look at him. I make it through the video without making heat out. He messing it up. He dead. I'm gonna kill him. Yup. Oh, I'm nothing. Y'all forgive me, I'm dropping him. Who's that? You know they don't let no salad mix. What are you up here for? Well, they do smell greens, don't they? Oh, I'm supposed to have been eating crabs. I probably would have stopped the video. Oh, I think I was saying salad mix was good for you in the summertime. It's so hot outside. Like I'm going out there. Because I have to. I'm about to miss my mouth. Trying to drop stuff. I remember I so now. I always ate Pest. And I was a little girl. Always. It ain't a good thing either. I need to slow down to my food like this better. Always did. Some people say you're nervous when you eat Pest. I don't know. I hope y'all can see good. Got this morning. Messed around, moved around, looked at my daughter got ready to go to work. And then I took the dog out. Look at all that lettuce. I'm gonna start using my griddle. Keep things warm. I guess that's the price to pay when low cost is the flaking everywhere. Dog one don't do that. I saw I laid back down for a little while. Not laying there, go sleep there, laying in the bed. Saw my husband walking them down the path. For exercise. I said, let me get my butt up out of here and do some justice. Hey, Smurf, y'all forgive me. I'm gonna need to get something that kill this fly that keep running around here. Yeah, keep on running. He probably over there somewhere now. Cause he's right there in front of me, and then he's gone. You think he's gonna hide? So he's gonna get killed. He know what's going on. He'll be back when you're gone. I said, let me get my butt up out of here. Go out there and walk with my husband. Oh, look like he was enjoying himself. So I told myself, let's go down the path. Because the path is healing. I told y'all I live 500 feet off the road. So let's go down the path because the path is healing. And so we went down the path 4 times up, 4 times, you know, would not go up. You put it on me. Yes, you did. Them heels put it up. Put it on me. Yes, it did. I'm talking heels. Yeah. When you're out of shape and you just kind of start out moving around. By the time we finished almost, I hopped at 161. I was in that max of my fat burning. I didn't even feel like I was going to be that bad. Walking. I wasn't walking. Playing on walk. That's what the doctor said. The doctor said walking is very beneficial to your health. Okay. You guys start out doing a whole lot. So I got a trampoline I told him about. He's there, do trampoline every day. But he was so enjoying himself. So let me go out there with him. When we got finished, came back in the house. So I took me and give it take me a shower. Cause so much, right before the weather was right. So I wasn't like that at all. Soon as I get in the house, my little dog was sitting in the bed. Looking straight out the window at us, see what we doing. What they out there doing? Yeah. I don't tell him what he was thinking. He was looking though. I mean, he was looking. Like he got him a front seat. So he can see good. What a good. So good. Lord, if I don't eat these eat these quesadillas and get up off this salad, I know what's going to happen right here. I'm telling y'all that right now. Salad will fill you up for the moment. Later on, you're hungry. When you're hungry later on. Look at that dropping. Let me get all the goodness right here. Y'all know God made these before man made these. You know we eat with them. I try to be dignified. Sometimes I gotta use these. How y'all doing today? I saw how y'all doing. How's life treating you? Hope all is well with everybody. Anybody going through anything, any sickness or any pain, I pray that God bless you and touch your body and send healing. I know how I feel to be in pain. Somebody might need that financial blessing. You gotta stop that. Put some money in your pocket. I ain't saying coins because God don't put coins. And God fill your pockets, He fill your pockets. What can you do? I hope y'all see this little spot I dripped on my shirt. Yeah. And God fill your pockets, fill your pockets. One time, while back, my husband He just had this other thing going on with him. When I asked her something, she didn't know why I wanted it for, why I need it, you know, all that stuff. So, then he go through this little moment. I guess he give it to me if you feel like it. If you don't feel like it, I won't work in there. So, I be needing it too. What do he think I need or not need it? Y'all ever been to church and the preacher tell you, if you ain't got no money, well, I know this in the apostolic church that I went to. If you ain't got no money, just come up and touch the table and ask God to bless you. I did it. I did it. Yes, I did. And then my cousin told me, she said, I tell you what to do. Pray over your wallet. Ask God to open it up and give you some out of it. I don't say he give me. But when he wants to give it to me, yes indeed. I would pray over that wallet. That's one time we were out. I didn't think all day. I pray over it. In no time, that wallet is open. That's the honest truth. Here's for $50, Barbara. And that would. It works. It works. Prayer works. That's what you do. Yes, it do. You can go what you're praying for. It works. Might soon see you similar to somebody else. By the time for me, it was just what I needed. Yep, just what I needed. So, I haven't prayed in a while with the wallet. I've been a little self-sufficient. But I think I'll pray again because I need a little extra. Hope you don't look at this video. Yeah. But if I pray and God do the work, you can try to keep it closed all you want, God gonna stretch that open. I tell you to give. Have you ever been somewhere and the Lord told you to do something for somebody? Or you know He told you to do it? Have you, y'all, that's that fly. Yeah. And what were the results? Excuse me. From when you didn't do it. Excuse me. And the results that you did do it. Comment down below. Because there's always a result to it. Always. God don't speak to you until you do something for no reason. He does it for a reason. Not only for that person, it's for you too. If you never see how obedient you're going to be. Always give it back. He always give it back. How I get on this today? Maybe no one's crashing at a heart today. I know mine always open for encouragement. I hear that. We need it sometimes. So what we do? Live in this world, everything going on. Try to get Latina to sip some water, so I don't get too full. Because the tank is getting full. I know one thing, this salad was good. This salad was good. If I don't eat it all, probably wrap it up. That's some running wrap. But I'm not. I ate a whole one. I'm just 1/4. Gonna be if I get the salad in. Do y'all like green peas? And if you do, what you like best with it? Now, what do you like raw green peas? I love mashed potato, my green peas. I love starchy starch. But I love mashed potato. I used to eat meatloaf, mashed potato and cornbread. Meatloaf, mashed potato, green peas and cornbread. Yep. Ooh. Wow, y'all. My daughter don't like to have scrapes on his plates. She act up again. Scrape this plate. Get me one more piece, see if I can eat this piece. See if it comes loose. I can get this piece there, that's it. I got about a cup of lettuce on each one of these. They stuffed with lettuce. I'm talking stuff. What is that saying? I hope they ain't both back there doing something he ain't both be doing. I know the washing machine going too. Look, get. Somebody gonna think, is she crazy? If you just look at the video, don't. What you keep doing that for? Shoot fly don't bother me. Now, you see why people say shoot fly don't bother me. Well, there's a lot. This weekend, well, not this weekend. Last weekend, tax-free weekend. Take advantage of it. And then guys should start changing stuff now. Certain things you can't get no more on tax-free weekend. You know, can't get it. I used to have, when they first started out, what is that noise? What's it? Ah, don't put that noise in. Whew. That's it. I can't do no more. I'm full. Went too long without eating. But I ate plenty. I need some good old water too. Ain't nothing like a good old cold glass of water. I mean, good old cold glass of water. My daughter said you don't both drink and eat at the same time. It blocks the digestion. You know about that? I heard it before too, though. Well, y'all, it was good. I enjoyed it. But I gotta let you go. Yep, I'm gonna keep this, wrap it up, and rent a wrap. You always put it back on the grill, and it crisp right back up. But every day it's gone. Excuse me, ain't no saving that. Well, until next time, comment, like, and share this video, and I will surely appreciate it.